Well, we all have those days when we kind of struggle, what do we really cook today that is quickly and easily done and for our ever-demanding families? So for those days and for other days too, try this recipe of Aloo Katli. This is a really tasty dish where the potatoes are sauteed in a delicious blend of spices. Try to make it this way and I hope you and your family will really love it. My channel, all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the tempering spices. The oil is now hot, so we will add a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till the seeds start spluttering. So now the seeds have started spluttering. To this we will add the potatoes. So here I have taken 600 grams of potatoes that I have cut into slight disc shapes. So about 3 mm thickness, like you can see here, so not too thin and not too thick either. So for this recipe we will cut the potatoes in this kind of a shape. So go ahead and add the potatoes, and now we will fry the potatoes at a high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's been about 6 minutes and I've fried the potatoes at a high flame. Now we will add some powdered spices. So here I have 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can also use Kashmiri red chili or just chopped green chilies as your preference. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of amchur or dry mango powder. 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. We will also add some salt as per taste, and now we will fry this at a medium-low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the potatoes are now really nicely coated with the spices. Now we will add some mint leaves, about 2 tablespoons here, and also add some coriander leaves. And mix the potatoes really well with this, and we will continue to cook this till the potatoes become completely done. If you see that the potatoes are getting stuck at the bottom of the pan or the masala is getting burned, then just add very little bit of water as you keep frying the potatoes. I would say to not cover this with a lid, then the potatoes will have a really nice crispy texture if you fry this without covering with a lid. So we will now continue to fry this till the potatoes become completely cooked. Our potatoes are now completely cooked and our aloo katli is ready to serve. It's a super tasty and really easy recipe, great to enjoy with roti, naan, paratha, or you can just have it as a chaat, which I do a lot of times. So hope you really like this recipe, and thank you so very much for watching my channel.